The Most High is saying right now, Holy Spirit is saying, flood the market. Yep, you heard it. I know some of y'all are not necessarily sure what it is that you're going to do in regard to supplement your income. Get on your job. I'm not saying to go fill out no applications, because quiet as kept, many people ain't even hiring, but you got gifts and abilities. If you can just get yourself out there online, suspend all fear. I'm definitely a house cat, but I'm outside today in the sunlight, getting that sunlight, and everything is content. But just remix it, do it your way. And as I started off this message saying, flood the market, what I'm picking up in the Holy Spirit, and I got this message last night. The Ruach HaQadosh, representing Divine Mother, gave me this message that pretty soon you're going to have a lot of eyes on you. Eyes are gaining on you right now, but you're going to take off. You're going to go viral. Just affirm right now, I've gone viral, and amazing opportunities are coming to me from every way. I'm internationally successful. I shared this with you at this time because when you actually hit big, because it's going to happen, it's inevitable if you keep being consistent, a lot of eyes are going to be looking for your content. Some of you want to go viral. Some of you want to gain like e-commerce success, but you're not even creating the content. Get out of your own way, get out of your head, get out of people judging you. And I know some of you, you've come from being around people that told you, oh, what you do is whack, corny. Let them think it's cringy. But you're going to be laughing all the way to the bank. It's inevitable. And this is not just about having financial stability, which is very important because we live in a very capitalistic society, but you're going to have a sense of like, it's going to feel cathartic. It's going to feel somewhat therapeutic when you get out and you begin to just speak from your heart, speak what really drives you. It's going to be successful in all aspects. And another thing I'm going to share with you in regard to the success that's happening for you is that the more and more you show up authentically who you are and how you really feel about things, it's not even going to feel like work. This is going to be a godsend for you when you step out here on faith. Because when you're doing things, it's enjoyable. It doesn't feel like work. Like you're going to have unlimited ideas. And with those unlimited ideas, unlimited opportunities are going to come to you. Like, I'm so grateful that I started, and I've been doing e-commerce for a while, more so in the forefront, being visible. For a while, I was really shy. Did not want to show my face because I tend to be kind of a reserved wallflower type person. But the Most High kept nudging me. Okay, the success you want, the stability, the legacy that you're wanting to create, it starts with you just getting out there, getting out of the fear of who sees you. They looking anyway. Many of them are taking notes, and even the haters gonna love you. They may not ever fully admit it, but they can't stop watching. Like, you are TV for them. You are their trending topic. You're circulating in their group chat, and now even the ones that want to hate, they can't even hate. They really love you. So don't even worry about it. Know that you just stepping out there on faith, it's gonna make you the first true, for some of you, 100,000, for some of you, a millionaire. I don't even want all that. I'm just grateful to be a blessed, humble 100,000-aire. I like the sound of that. So get out there. Anytime you open that app, make some content. Don't just scroll and watch everybody else get it. You can get it too. You're welcome.